Hello. In this video we're going to be looking at lesson 10.1, the warm-up for this lesson at least. A couple of things to note is, first off, if you have not already watched the video and taken notes for lesson 10.1, please don't waste your time by watching this right now because you need to make sure that you understand what the main concepts are and take notes on those. You have those for reference for later. Also, don't just watch this video. I want you to make sure you try this warm-up on your own. So if you've already watched the video and taken notes for the lesson, then I want you to practice this warm-up on your own and then watch this video so you make sure you know how to do it. So assuming you've done all of those things, let's go over what your answers would be for this lesson 10.1 warm-up. So first off, it says in an FST class there are 16 students that are hybrid and 10 students that are EVA. Ms. Murphy is going to put together a group of 6 hybrid students and 3 EVA students. And how many ways can this be done? All right, so first off, we need to recognize the fact that there are 16 students that are hybrid. Oh, let me change that to a highlighter here. There's 16 students that are hybrid, and in our group there's going to be 6 hybrid students. And so we would have 16, and we're going to be choosing or selecting 6 of them. And then we have 10 students that are EVA. And of those EVA students, there's going to be 3 of them that we're going to be selecting. So we'd have 10 choose 3. And now we see this word here that we're going to be trying to find out how many different ways we can select 6 hybrid students and 3 EVA students. So it's not or, it's not one or the other, it's one and the other. So we're going to multiply these two combinations together. So when you do that, 16 choose 6 would be 210, 10 choose 3 would be 120. When you multiply those together, we get 25,200 different ways that those 6 hybrid students and 3 EVA students can be selected. All right, let's look at the second one here. It says, in a staff giveaway, 5 teachers will be given $100 gift cards of 30 randomly selected math and science teachers. What is the probability that Mr. McLean and Ms. Murphy are 2 of the 5 staff that are selected? Now, wouldn't this be nice? Okay, so we have 30 randomly selected math and science teachers. Okay, so our total number of teachers are 30 of them. And out of those 30, we're going to be selecting 5. So that gives me the total. So there's a total of 142,506 different ways that could happen. Now we want to figure out what's the probability that Mr. McLean and I are 2 of the 5 staff that are going to be selected. So the way that we do that is, remember that so when we talk about Mr. McLean and I, there's 2 of us, and we're going to select all 2 of us. Okay, so 2 choose 2. Now technically that just means there's one way for that to happen. But we still have other teachers that are going to be included. So if you think about, let's say if we have all 30 of us, we're sitting in a room, and Mr. McLean and I were pulled out of that room because we were selected. Now we have 28 teachers left over to pick from for those other 3 gift cards. Because remember, there's a total of 5 $100 gift cards. So there'd be 3 left over for those 28 other teachers that are left over. So 28 choose 3 is 3,276. So when you divide those, you would get 0.023, or there's a 2.3% chance of Mr. McLean and I being 2 of the 5 staff members being selected. So hopefully that helps you understand how to do these 2, or hopefully that gives you the confidence that you understand what you're doing for lesson 10.1. So go ahead and work on your assignment now, and good luck as you work on that.